It's on video between us.
No.
Okay. No, that's cool. So are you going to call the cops on the guy or what? On me for being parked. Okay.
Recorded me.
Yeah, absolutely. You can't, actually. It's legal to record in public. So just so you know that this is the manager in Thousand Palms Flying J. He's threatened to arrest me and tell me to move illegally. Cigarette pack, keys, and a lighter. So, I don't know what to tell you. They're either going to let me drive out of here drunk, or they're going to get me for trespassing and take me in.
What's going on with the truckers? There's a truck driver named Trouble. He's a bedbugger himself. He sent me a link to his video, and I just thought it was savage, man. Basically, he parked at a Flying J because he was going to unload some furniture the next day. But you know what? When he parked, there were no cones, no nothing. He thought he could park there, but there were some dumpsters in the back. Well, after he was out of hours, he clocked out. Well, he grabbed some drink, and he got a little 4-pack. Well, the manager in there says that he needs to move, and he said he legally couldn't move, and if they wanted him to, they would have to call the cops, and the cops would legally have to tell him that he could move. So here's the altercation with this. But mother truckers, what are your thoughts? Did my guy Trouble do the right thing by not moving his truck, especially 4 drinks in? Mother truckers, comment down below.
So the truck stop in Thousand Palms, the Flying, they decided, since I'm backed into one of their trash cans and I've left ample space, there, which, I mean, none of us are touching, and there, I'm within the lines, so is this guy. They've decided now, since I'm over my hours, they want me to move and do an illegal act. And I'm saying no. And I told them if they want me to move, they have to call the cops. Plus, now I've had drinky poo, which makes it illegal for me to drive this vehicle until I'm sober. So let's see what happens. This is on video between us.
No.
Okay. No, that's cool. So are you going to call the cops on the guy or what? On me for being parked. Okay.
Recorded me.
Yeah, absolutely. You can't, actually. It's legal to record in public. So just so you know that this is the manager in Thousand Palms Flying J. He's threatened to arrest me and tell me to move illegally. Not much. How are you doing?
Right here with the white truck?
No, this white truck.
You're not with this guy?
Well, we were hanging out earlier. So,
You're not driving this truck?
I am not driving this truck. I'm driving this truck.
Okay.
Well, I'm not currently driving this truck. The manager here had the problem with me.
Why?
Because I parked here. There was no coning off of these 3 spots. I parked here. I was just running down my hours. I finished my unload. I came here to have a shower, just do my usual end of day. I got to go to Arizona tomorrow, and I thought everything was cool, so I purchased from the store, just helped another guy back in over there.
So did you pay for this spot or not?
You have to pay for the spots? I'm sorry, I'm from Canada, I don't know these things. So I didn't know I had to pay for the spot. That's just new news to me right now, honestly. I'd happily pay for it, but he came out here and he told me, you have to leave. And I was like, I can't. So I've had an alcoholic drink. It's illegal for me to start.
How many drinks have you had?
4. Like, I know I hold my booze well. It's because I'm from Canada. Only way that you're going to be able to get me to move is if you call the police and they allow me to move my vehicle intoxicated. Like, I can move these it's all about the dumpsters. I can show you them. They're empty. Okay. So back there's 3 dumpsters.
So you saying you paid for a shower?
I had a shower. I don't have the
receipt.
I don't have the receipt. I didn't have the shower. I came back out here because I had to watch after my dog.
So what did you purchase from them?
I purchased alcohol. I purchased pizza and a shower. I purchased the alcohol.
Alcohol, pizza, and a shower.
Not at the same time.
Okay, but you did make 3 purchases.
I made 2 purchases.
Well, of what?
One of pizza and alcohol and one of a shower.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did
So
I give my partner your ID already?
no.
Okay.
Would you like it?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
I dropped them. They cracked open. I saved what I could. So I've got one left and this one unopened that I've been drinking.
Okay.
I'm just being honest with you, sir.
Yeah.
I don't want to cause any problems. The guy came up with attitude and aggression, and I just gave him less back in kind.
Okay.
And my attitude was, you can tell me whatever you want. If the police...
Where's your load going?
Tomorrow I go to Arizona to unload, reload, and then I go back to Canada.
Okay.
So I can't legally move. That's what I told him. If the police say I can move, or the sheriff's office, sorry.
So we'd have to do some tests on you to make sure you...
I mean,
I don't know how your driving actions are, though.
I'm a 22-year...
Like, do you feel comfortable driving? You're saying you don't feel comfortable
Well,
driving?
I don't
Have
I don't feel comfortable being pulled over
Okay.
at all.
Okay, well, I don't smell anything right now on you.
Oh, that's amazing.
Do you have any sort of slur in your speech? You do have some watery eyes.
Yeah, I've been drinking. I am in
You
talk.
can hang out in the front. I'll talk to my partner about what the manager doing.
Yeah, I got it on video.
Oh, what do you have on video?
My
Interaction with the manager?
absolutely. Not the first one, but the second one when I went in to go talk to him, and he would not talk to me because he was being recorded.
Okay. Okay. Well, let me talk to my partner for a minute and see what the manager told him. Okay.
My biggest concern is the fact that there's a dumpster behind me, and I feel like that's kind of.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna talk to my partner. You may give a call to the manager. But
I'll
give me a
stand.
minute.
I'll stand right here
Yeah,
for
if you
you.
can just keep your hands out your pockets. You don't have any knives on you.
You can check.
Okay. Just put your hands in the car for a second, real quick.
Sure. Let me put this
Yeah,
down.
hold your phone. You can hold your phone.
Okay.
Just put your hands in the car right now.
Cigarette pack, keys, and a lighter. Whoop. Wallet. Also keys. I got 2 sets.
Just making sure.
Yeah, no, it's all good. Whoop.
Okay, you can.
Thank you.
Just hang out right here in the front.
Yeah, no, I'm right here. So this is what happens when Flying J. I mean, these sheriffs are really awesome. They're super nice. So I don't know what to tell you. They're either gonna let me drive out of here drunk, or they're gonna get me for trespassing and take me in. It's out of my hands. When I showed up, there was no cones at all. That's why I got that big ass bumper.
You're gonna be sleeping in the truck.
The truck.
This truck.
That's my truck.
This white one here.
Yes, sir.
So whose truck is this?
I don't know.
Why are your beer cans on it?
Because it was easier than putting them on mine. I'm sorry. And, you know, my dog, he's a rescue. If I'm hanging out at the truck, he gets all riled
Let
up.
me go clear up this with my partner. I thought this was your truck.
No, sir. This is my truck right here.
Hey, Paul.
Yes, sir.
And can we call you?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Area code 25.
Is it Michael or John?
Michael John Combe.
Would you like to be called?
And as long as I know you're talking to me,
right.
hey you.
If you can just hang out in your truck for the rest of the night, we're going to talk to the manager about.
Yeah, I mean, as long
painting
as.
this stuff and trying to.
Well, I've been nothing but polite.
Yeah, he's saying otherwise.
I could show you the video. I told him, I was like, look, I'm not going to let you make me do an illegal act because you're angry that I'm in front of one of your 3 empty dumpsters.
Yeah.
And then he's like, well, I'm going to call the police, and then ran off like a...
Well, we're talking to him right now. But,
and then I came in and I recorded my altercation. Not
All right,
altercation,
so can you
but...
not step foot in that property again? Otherwise we'll have have issues.
Absolutely.
Okay, can you just hang out in your truck for the night?
Yeah.
There's no other reason you need to go step foot.
As long as you guys don't come back and be like, oh, you're drinking in your truck. Like,
But you're good to be hanging out here in your truck. You don't need to wander around.
no, I got my pizza. I'm good.
Okay.
I want to wake up.
Go hang out in your truck for the rest of the evening. I have your phone number. My partner's talking to the manager right now. Okay.
Awesome.
All right,
Hey,
nice to
sir.
meet you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you for doing your job.